Timber Wolf. The leader howls, we all obey. Something's going to die today. White fangs, sharp claw, time to enforce some natural law. Our noses tell us where to go, through gloomy woods, over fields of snow. 60 paws which make no sound, noses sniff along the ground. We've got a scent, the chase is on, though we are many, we move as one. Leader is the one to choose and pick, we only kill the old or sick. And now he howls, we all obey, something's going to die today. Okay, so this poem follows a particular rhyming scheme, okay? And when we talk about the rhyming scheme of a poem, we look at the pattern in which the poem rhymes, okay? The pattern in which the last words rhyme, okay? So we can see here that every line after each other, every second line, or every 2 lines even, rhyme, okay? Obey, today. Claw, law. Go, snow. Sound, ground. On, one. Okay, so they're close enough. Pick, sick. Obey, today. Now, that rhyming scheme is known as, I'll write it on a separate piece of paper. It's known as an A, B, B rhyming scheme. Okay, an A, B, B. And that tells you how each line will rhyme. So they rhyme in pairs. Okay? You might have another type of poem that the rhyming scheme might be A, B, A, B. Okay? So A, B will be where every second line will rhyme. Okay? If you were to say, for example, the leader howls, we all obey. White fangs, sharp claw. Something's going to die today. Time to enforce some natural law. Okay, see how the rhyming scheme is slightly different that way. Okay, so during the week, just to start us off this week, on Monday, we're just going to have a read through this poem and answer some of the questions just to get us in that mode of poetry. Okay, but each day we're going to be looking at a different type of poem. I'm going to be reading you some examples, talking you through some of the rules to go with that particular type of poem, and then setting you a challenge of writing your own. Okay, so we might have acrostic poems, limericks, haikus. So I have a few different ones that I'm going to be giving you during the week. Okay, have a great day.